Best way to test for unknown possible anions in unknown solution is unfortunately not such an easy task. There is no unified way of testing for all possible anions that could be present in an unknown solution. The only thing I can do is to advise you to think of it based on possible anions. So let's just go through some of them. I will be naming one or two of the more popular tests for each popular category of anions that could be used in an unknown solution for Sec 3 and 4 chemistry students. Example, if you suspect that an unknown solution could possibly contain maybe chlorides inside, then a good test for you to use would be to add drops of acidified silver nitrate solution or acidified lead 2 nitrate solution to the unknown solution. So what happens is, if it really did contain chloride ions, you will immediately note the appearance of white PPT. That will be one of the best ways that you can ascertain that your unknown solution could possibly, very high probability, of containing chloride ions. This particular test that I'm just talking about is also applicable for all the other halides. That means the group 7 ions, like example, fluorides, bromides, iodides, etc. What if you suspect, the second one, that the unknown solution possibly might contain sulfates? Then the best way for you to test for it is to add drops of acidified barium nitrate solution or acidified lead 2 nitrate solution. And in the adding of that, what you will get, if it's really a sulfate ion or there's the existence of sulfate ions in the unknown solution, then you will see the appearance of white PPT. That is the second test. The third one that I want to talk about is, what if you suspected that something might contain carbonate? If it's a carbonate, it's actually a reaction that you're already very familiar with. The best way for you to test for a possible carbonate in an unknown solution is to add drops of dilute acid. Once you've added the drops of dilute acid and it really contains a carbonate, then you will see bubbles of colorless gas produced. That's not good enough. If you were to direct the bubbles of colorless gas to bubble through a test tube of lime water, you will see white PPT appearing. That is the confirmed final stage for the test for possibly carbonates existing in the unknown solution. I have one last one that we can talk about. What if you suspected that the unknown solution contained nitrates? Then what are you going to do to test for it? The best way for you to do this is to take a certain portion of the unknown, add some ammonium hydroxide to it, and add some Nevada's alloy or zinc or aluminum to the unknown solution, and you can warm it up. And you will see bubbles of colorless gas being produced, and when you test the gas with a pair of moist litmus paper, the red litmus turns blue. In other words, you've just produced ammonia gas. If all these things are done and the ammonia gas is produced, then that is your confirmed outcome that proves that the unknown solution contains nitrates. I hope you find that useful. If you like it, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got